Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Skill Up Tutorials, one lesson at a time. In today's video, I am going to explain about variables in JavaScript. There are three types of variables available in JavaScript. The first one is let, and the second one is const, and the third one is var. I will explain each of them separately. Firstly, let. First, when we talk about variables, we need to know about the scope of the variable. Scope means from where it can be accessible, from where it cannot be accessible. Scope of the let variable is block. That means, for example, if I declare a let variable inside the loop, then it cannot be accessible outside of the loop. For example, let us take an example, let x equal to 10. If I declare this x equal to 10 in a for loop and it cannot be accessible outside of the for loop, that's it about the scope. And let x equal to 10, we call it as a declaration of the variable. In let, we can declare the variable by using let x equal to 10, and we can reassign the value to the x, any variable like x equal to 20, but we are not supposed to redeclare the variable. That means let x equal to 40. We are not supposed to do like this. This is declaration and this is assignment. This is reassignment. What is meant by reassignment? Assigning a value to the variable one more time. That is called reassignment. We are not supposed to do like this. Okay. And the next one is const. The scope of the const is within the block only. We can if we declare a const variable inside the block, we are not supposed to access outside of the block, and scope is block. Okay, and I will show the declaration also, like const equal to pi equal to, you listened about this pi value. This like this, the constant values are declared by using this const variable in JavaScript. Const means constant. Then what is the difference between let and constant? Almost these two are similar, but in let we can reassign the value. In constant we cannot reassign the value. That is the main difference between const and let. Then coming to the variable scope. Okay, scope of the var is function. That means if you declare a variable inside the function, that it can be accessible inside the function only. It cannot be accessible outside of the function. Okay, and coming to declaration and reassignment, you can redeclare and reassign the variable. It is not recommended to use var, because I will explain with an example. Where f equal to abc. The most important point is, in JavaScript every line is ended with semicolon. If you don't use a semicolon, you will get an error. And where f equal to bdf, we can use like this, but it is a bad behavior. I don't recommend to use like this. If we do like this, we will overwritten the value of the f variable. So I don't recommend you to use like this. And you can also reassign, like f equal to this is called reassignment. You can reassign this, and I will also explain in real time. I am using online compiler to explain you. I will start explaining with let x equal to 10 and x equal to 20. I will run this. Code is executed successfully. This is perfect, but I want to know which value is stored in x value finally. So to know that, we can use this. This is used to print. This is also ended with the semicolon. See, 20 final value is stored in it. And also if you want, you can print it here also. 10 and 20 both values are shown, and this is declaration and this is reassignment. I will show when we will get error also. Let x equal to 90. Here you observe, you will get an error. See, x has already been declared. That means it is already declared. You are not supposed to redeclare it. This is all about let. I hope you understand about let. I will let's go to const. Const pi equal to 3.14. And if you want to run, you can run. And I will also display this message. See, you can see the 3.14 value. This is decimal value, and before I use a number. So now I am not telling about data types. In next video I will tell about data types so that you can understand it more. And you can't redeclare and you can't reassign also. I will explain it. See, you will get error. It has been declared. Okay, I will remove this. This is the main difference between the let and const. Assignment to constant variable type error. That means we are not supposed to assign a value to the constant. So that's all about it. And the next one is var. Var d equal to 87, and I will also display it. Don't forget to keep semicolon. See, and you can also redeclare it. You don't get any error. D equal to 96. See, updated value is placed and the d value is overwritten. This is all about this. And if you want, you can change the data type also. No error you will get. So this is also one of the best feature. Not only for this, you can do it for let variable also, like d equal to 94. See, you don't get any error. This is all about the variables in JavaScript. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.